When you look for an Xcmg machine, chances are you won't see it shined up pulling a parade float. You won't see some pop star sporting our logo to connect with their blue-collar fan base, or a hipster wearing it to be ironic. You'll see Xcmg on mud-caked workhorse equipment, utilized 24/7 to actually build stuff. You won't hear our salesmen speaking in grandiose superlatives. Instead, you'll hear us using frank, practical terms like machine utilization, uptime, and value. If we wax poetic, it'll be about our comprehensive parts depot and inventory system. For over 25 years, fleet managers have chosen Xcmg because we've built machines that are durable, reliable, and serviceable. Engineered with industry-standard components to American specs. Not too long ago, there wasn't a real alternative to the titans in the heavy construction industry. Today, we are that alternative. Affordable, quality machines that deliver value and performance. Xcmg Intensis. World-class. World presence.